Hello guys, welcome to Game Design. My name is John Haste and I'll be your instructor during this course. I've been teaching online for over 9 years. I've created games, apps, and founded a technology school. I just love teaching here. And I have already over 25,000 students all across the globe. In this course, you will learn about game design techniques used in digital games. So when you play a game, you will understand exactly what the developers and game designers were thinking when they were developing the game and designing each level. We'll start with the video game home console history, going from generation to generation, in a fun way and showing you curiosities, controllers and components, from the first video game console to the newest ones that you see today. You will be able to choose the best game engine for you according to your necessities. You will learn about game elements in their categories. What must be grouped with what? What kind of elements are in a game? What is a game? Do you know what's the best monetization technique for each kind of project? I'll show you many different ways you can earn money by making games. I'll also show you how to create prototypes so you can validate your game ideas and playtest with your friends and then with strangers, getting the feedback you need to improve your game over and over again. Before spending hundreds of dollars in a game, you don't even know if it's gonna work well. You will also learn about the basics of Construct 2, an amazing game engine for beginners. How to use templates to save time and money, and create a simple prototype even if you've never coded in your life. By the end of this course, you'll be able to understand and analyze any type of digital game. Understand how they're made, having a better vision of the whole process. You will also answer to some quizzes to help you memorize the content learned, and be able to download the whole presentation used during this course. I'll give you a game design analysis template, so you can follow it step by step and start analyzing your own games, or games made by other people. You'll be able to create real reviews of products. You're not gonna be like all of those YouTubers who speak like, yeah, that game is good, it's cool, and has beautiful graphics. No, I want you to understand the level design, the progression, the physics, the history. I want you to have a better understanding to create better critics. Once you understand how games are made, playing them will never be the same. Enroll now and I'll see you in the course.